Hey, this is Ben with Subi Surgeons. Today I'm going to be talking about how to remove a 2014 Forester spark plug. The first step, which I've already done here, is to remove the coil pack. There's a 10mm bolt and a connector. You remove both of those things, and then you're left with this spark plug hole. So then the second step you're going to do is you're going to take a 14mm spark plug socket, and you're going to slide it down the hole, and then you're going to attach an extension to it. I like to use this knurled extension because you're not going to have a lot of room in the back of this boxer engine to be able to turn your wrench, so you're going to start turning it by hand. The knurl gives you more grip. If you don't have that, that's okay. It's just going to take a little bit longer. So you insert the extension and you're going to turn it by hand until it's loose. I've already loosened this one for the purpose of the video. So then you remove your extension and your spark plug socket. This is going to be much more difficult in the rear one, so it's going to take some patience. Then I like to take a magnet, you stick it down the hole, and the spark plug will come out like so.